This is Kaylee Schnack here for module number 3, leadership styles and leadership styles that I believe I have is servant leadership, transformational leadership. When taking leadership style quiz, I got diplomat, which means kind, social, giving, and a deep bond with their employee. The characteristics that I have: cooperation, so I'm getting everyone to work together, lead by example, servant leadership, and working to reach the same goal, and strong communicator. I'm just having open lines of communication, being straightforward, and traits that I have as a community builder, building that stability, retention, and investment in the community, and emotional intelligence, being aware of my own personal emotions and emotions of others, positive attitude, seeing the possibilities and opportunities when something happens, either negative or positive, and receptive to others, being a team player and building on each other. Leadership of ethics is very important because it's the core values of leadership and doing the moral thing when it's tough and you're in a tight spot. I believe in the ethics of care, which is caring, concern, connection, the ethics of profession, which is professional associations, and the ethics of community, which is communities. Everyone has things that they need to improve on, and the things that I need to improve on is conversation with colleagues, learning to say no, understanding that I can't do it all, be okay with asking for help, and staying on task. References that I used for this presentation. The references continued for this presentation. Standard correlation. With the research readings, it discussed the importance of ethics and leadership, and it gave the foundation for educational leaders, because in our position, we need to know what's right and wrong, and we need to fight for our learners and our schools. I was able to understand the importance of having moral values and virtues to survive in a school atmosphere. The assignment was intuitive, as it taught me my own leadership styles and how to best use my skills to be an effective leader to my staff and students. The assignment was relevant because I was able to find out my leadership style. After reviewing a bunch of different leadership styles, I was able to find my strengths and weaknesses, and it gave me a sense of stability and ownership to continue to grow as a strong leader. Reflections. It was nice to reflect my personality of who I am and to find out what I bring to the table as a leader. I think it's imperative that I use my relationship building and positive attitude to change a school climate and culture. I understand that I'll be dealing with difficult situations, and it's imperative that I use my moral judgment from right and wrong, and to understand that I might not always have the right answer, and I might need help, and that I am going to have all these different challenges and struggles, but the rewardment will outweigh any of those.